Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys another video, and this is going to be a tutorial. My first tutorial in like I don't know, like 6 months maybe. Today's tutorial is gonna be kind of like my go-to makeup look. This is definitely not some crazy groundbreaking look like I usually like to do. You know, I usually like to do like a cut crease or something super intense and colorful, or just something that's like different, or at least I think is different. But today we're just gonna hit you with my go-to makeup look. I feel like my first tutorial coming back onto YouTube should be something that I've been wearing a lot, and this is definitely something I've been wearing a lot. And you could really do this look using any palette that you want, but for today I decided to go with the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills because I have gotten a lot of requests from you guys on Snapchat especially to do a tutorial using this palette. And even though it's not something super crazy, it's definitely something I've been wearing a lot, like a lot. I do want to say this is definitely not like a no makeup look or like a everyday kind of tutorial. It's nothing like that. It's just the look that I go to when I sit down and I'm like, I really don't know what to do today. I will do this look. I feel like that was a really long intro, but if you guys want to see my go-to makeup look using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette, then please just keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. Just to prime the eyelids. Obviously use whatever floats your boat. I'm using some random BH Cosmetics brush just to throw it on my eyelids. I always have to prime my eyes no matter what look I'm doing. So even though this is going to be softer, not soft, but softer for me, still gotta prime. So for this look, I'm using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. I've been using this a good amount, not like every single day, but I've used it a couple of times. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab the color Orange Soda with a Morphe G17 brush. It's just like an enormous fluffy brush. And this color is pretty light, so it's not going to do much, but I love it. So I'm just barely putting this into the crease. Like you could see a little orange hint there, but nothing crazy. Then I'm going to grab a Morphe M573 and I'm going to take the color Burnt Orange, which is this shade right here. So I'm just going to put this in my crease as well. This is definitely going to give us a lot more definition than Orange Soda did. I'm so scared. I'm wearing a white dress right now and I'm so scared that I'm going to get eyeshadow like all over it. So scared. Then going into the color Sienna, which you guys know is like it's Sienna. Everybody knows Sienna. I'm taking the same brush that we used with Burnt Orange and I'm focusing this on my outer corner. Usually what I would do is focus on my outer corner and then bring it in, but I have a hair, it's right here. Gotcha. But for my everyday go-to kind of look, I always only focus it on the outer corner. So now with the original fluffy brush, no additional product, I'm just gonna blend out some of these edges here because they don't look good at all. Next, I'm going to go into our darkest color for today, which is not black. I mean, sometimes I will add black, I'm not gonna lie to you, but today is just not one of those days. So I'm going to take the shading brush by Real Techniques and the color Cyprus Umbre, which is one of my favorite browns ever. I love this color. I think it is so deep and just like, oh, it's so good. You see that? Like, it's so good. So I'm just popping this right at that outermost corner, bringing it a little above my crease, but like barely. Don't want to take it too high. So then going in again with Sienna on that Morphe M573. I'm just gonna blend this, but also I'm gonna blend it but also stay on the outer corner, if that makes sense. It might not. With this look, I tend to like to keep it all matte, but there is no matte color in this palette that I've used for my lids. So I'm gonna grab Tempera. I'm gonna take it with a MAC 242 onto my lid, and I'm also gonna apply it on the brow bone. Oh my god, that's so intense. I usually like to stick with this kind of color, kind of like a brightening kind of vanilla kind of a situation for the lid for this look, but you can of course use whatever you want. I think if you did it with like a nice bronze color, that would look really nice too. I do always apply liquid liner with this look, of course. If you don't want to, you don't have to. But I'm going to use my NYX matte liquid liner. You guys know I've been using this for I don't even know how many years. It's just my favorite, and that's just what's up. So I'm just going to do like a medium wing, I guess. So before I finish up the eyes, I'm just gonna go ahead and start the face. I do, of course, already have my foundation on. You guys know that I always do my foundation and then my brows. And since it takes me forever to do my brows, I always end up doing my foundation off camera. But I feel like foundation is one of the most boring things ever to watch. So, but I'm gonna do my concealer. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in number 30, which is bright. It's bright, but once everything else is on, it looks a lot better than this, I promise. As always, damp Beauty Blender. Did you guys see the new color of Beauty Blender? That is like my favorite color. I cannot wait to pick that up. I haven't yet. I don't even know if it's out actually, but I'm in there. Not to set, I'm taking Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. I know I look crazy, okay? I know, but just wait till the finished product. Just wait. I still kind of bake, but not really. I put like barely any powder in and just tap it in and that's it. That's not really baking then, no. Because every time I would bake, no matter what powder I was using, the powder would like get up my nose, in my eyes, and then I would just start sneezing and crying, and it was a hot mess. Now I'm going to move on to the under eye. I'm going to use a brown pencil for my waterline. I love using brown pencils. Brown pencils, not brow pencils. I've been using the NYX gel pencil liner, the Jolie. I've been using that in brown a lot recently. I mean, it's just such a pretty color of brown, and black has not been working with me recently. It's just like smudging everywhere, and it's just not been doing its job. So for the lower lash line, I'm grabbing the Sigma E15. This is like too close, right? Here we go. Sigma E15, and I'm going to take Cyprus Umbre, that super dark brown shade, and I'm just going to run it right underneath that brown eyeliner we put in the waterline. To blend that out a little bit more, I'm taking the Morphe E36, one of my favorite pencil brushes, and I'm grabbing Sienna again. There is a lot of kick up in this palette, but then no fallout, which is very, very strange. But yeah, I'm just going to blend right underneath. That just really, I feel like, ties the entire look together. For your inner corner, you could, of course, go in with, like, Tempera. That's pretty much the only, I feel like, inner corner highlight you could use in here would be Tempera. But I don't think it's, like, metallic enough for my liking, so I'm using my ME. Oh my god! This is how long it's been. ME 122. It's by Makeup Forever. It's been my favorite inner corner highlight since like the day I put it on my inner corner. It's forever, it's been. And it's just so intense and metallic, and with this look I really want to have a highlighted inner corner. That's a lie. With every look I really want to have a highlighted inner corner. For lashes, I'm using Miami by Lilly Lashes, but I have this pair that has no box. And it's just a little heart-shaped thing Mama Danger gave me, so I just put them here. While that's getting tacky, I'm going to apply my mascara. I've been using the Benefit Roller Lash recently, and I like it a lot. I do. I'm not, like, obsessed with it. I mean, I'm, like, not obsessed with any mascara, really, because, like, it's mascara. Like, I don't care. But I've been really liking this one. Oh my god, I forgot how much Miami really gives it to me. Okay, so now we're gonna finish up the face. I'm grabbing the Anastasia contour kit, the original, and I'm taking the color Java. This one, I believe that's Java, and I'm using my Morphe R10. It's nice and clean. I washed all my brushes yesterday and I feel so good. But this is my favorite contour brush of all time. I'm obsessed with it for contouring. Okay, obsessed. So I'm just gonna, you know, contour. Now I'm gonna contour my nose using the same color, except I'm gonna mix it with Fawn, which is this color. Fawn is way too gray and Java is way too dark, so I just mix them both. And I'm using a MAC something 239, but it's like the little baby version. It was from one of the holiday collections. And I'm just going to attempt to make my nose look better. For bronzer, I'm grabbing the Anastasia Cappuccino bronzer, and I'm just going to apply this pretty much everywhere. For blush, I'm gonna grab my Makeup Forever blushes, and I'm gonna take, since this is like a go-to makeup look, I'm gonna take one that's like a little more neutral. I'm gonna take the color S310, which is this shade right here. It's the most neutral one that I have in the palette, and I love these blushes so much. I think I mentioned them in a favorites video once. And I'm gonna grab a Morphe. There's a lot of Morphe. It's not my fault. What happened was I washed my brushes, and all the ones that are washed are just like right in front of me. So I'm just grabbing literally whatever is there. But this is the Morphe M530. And I'm just going to apply this. For highlight, I am throwing it back, and I could not be more excited about this. I am grabbing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Illuminator in the color Riviera. You guys know I was obsessed. You could just see like how much of this I used. I was obsessed with this highlighter, and it was like so unhealthy. I wore this thing like every single day, and I was just looking in my drawer and I was like, I have not used this in so long. So I'm gonna use it right now. Oh my god. And this was my favorite color from the shades that she had released. But like, now with a smaller brush, I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow and my nose. So for this look, you could definitely do any lip color that you want to do. I actually tend to pair it with more bold lip colors because I feel like the eyes are so neutral. At least for me, this is like super neutral. So I like to pair it with something a little more bold. I wore this look the other day with Insomniac by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I was obsessed with it. But today I'm gonna wear a red lip. I'm using Cherry Lip Pencil by MAC, and I'm just gonna outline. Then for the actual lip, I'm using Dose of Colors Kiss of Fire. And I remember loving this. Oh my god. That looks pink. Tell me not. Tell me that doesn't look pink. That looks pink. I'm not happy. I'm putting something else on top of it. Please hold. So I just quickly grabbed the NYX Liquid Suede in the color, I don't know what color this is, Kitten Heels, which is red. Hopefully this is more red. This just looks like, it's pretty, but it just looks pink, and I wanted red. So I'm gonna use this. Like, this looks more red. You can see the difference on that, can't you? Can't you? On my teeth, can't you? So once you have your lipstick on and you're happy with the color, then this look is complete. I know this is going to get all over my teeth because the lip suedes don't really dry down. So that is it for this go-to makeup look featuring the Anastasia Soft Glam palettes. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, or I hope you had a good time, or I hope you're happy. I hope one of those things is true. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'll leave that information down below, along with Alana's Instagram, in case you want to see some Alana pictures. I post high key, I post more on Alana's Instagram than I do on my own. Please don't forget to comment some of your suggestions for videos. I do have a couple of looks in mind that I want to do with some newer palettes, but other than that, I'm kind of at a loss right now. I don't even know like what's going on in the YouTube world. I don't know what people are filming, what people are into. I don't know what's happening. So if you guys want to leave me suggestions, please feel free to do so. I think that's all I have to say, so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hi friends, welcome back. So today I'm bringing you guys another video. I can't even try to act casual about this. I don't think I'm even allowed to